Alright, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna do it right this time. And not spill a drink. All four done. Now we just gotta tap it, put some threads in. It wouldn't be one of my projects if something don't go wrong. Oh no! Broke the tap off in there. Shit. You gotta be kidding me. That right there is some bullshit. We're gonna have to figure this one out. I guess we go up one size. I got bigger set pins. That joker's in there good. So we incurred the problem. So on our last hole here, we broke the tap by being in too much of a rush. The next part is drill a bigger hole, use a bigger set screw. Which kind of sucks because the next size up is pretty freaking big. That's what we were using. That's the next size up. So I'll be going from a 24, number 10 24 to a 1/4 inch 20. Which also means the next one is gonna have to be that size as well. Which sucks because we already drilled the holes for it. I love these projects. Aren't they fun? Drop it once. She gone. She gone. Y'all good with that? Too bad. That's what you get. We'll call that Moving on. Butter. Almost. Done. Alright. Now we just gotta set it and test it. What y'all think? Close to center? Not close to center? So the way this works is that this disc here, this metal disc, will act as my oxygen or natural air control valve. As we spin it, it opens the gap between the opening and where the propane's pushing in. What this does is it causes what we call a Venturi effect. So the propane being forced in down the tube will flow just pure propane by itself, but when this opens up, the flow of the propane coming out of the tip will cause air to get sucked in and oxidize the propane, causing a hotter or higher heat burn at the end. We're gonna go ahead and attach this and turn it on, see how it works. This here is the burner. These connect together. I'm gonna get it set up on the propane. I'll bring you guys over. So what we got here is a 30 PSI regulator for propane. On-off valve. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to a chair or I'll fire it up. That blue flame, that's an oxidized flame. Like to see it a little hotter, but not complaining. Thanks, Dave Mollison. Still work. Appreciate that help on that. That's at 20 PSI on the regulator. I'm I'm gonna go up to 30, see what happens. Not much of a difference. Go ahead and turn her down. That's 10 PSI. $20 seems like a happy medium. The pipe itself isn't getting too hot. Maybe like 2 inches up off that nozzle. It's getting a little warm, but not hot enough to be concerned about. I could probably grab that back end and not be worried. Still cold to the touch. That just means that flame isn't traveling back into the pipe. Oh, we don't get a backflow into the line. I think we're doing good. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and set the other one up. We'll get the nozzle set center, and we'll go ahead and give that a test. We'll let this cool down for a minute. What light is that? Oh. I'm stupid. What else is new? There we go. Good. Had Jaren watch you turn it on. He's in his pyro stage. Oh no! I'm not supposed to influence pyros. Don't be a pyro. It's not worth it. You want to be a pyro, go be a firefighter. You can play with all the fire you want. Well, not play. Go put it out. But you get to see some cool fire. It's alive! It's gonna work good. I think that's it. All we gotta do now is build a forge. Get those suckers set in. I like it. Thanks for watching, y'all. That was fun. Till next time. See y'all.